Oh, we're doing these?
Number 13
I'm
on
gonna
4.6.
do this one and we're gonna record it. So this is 4.6, number 13. So 4.6,
Okay.
number 13. So it says, geologists have determined that Crater Lake in Oregon was formed by a volcanic eruption. Chemical analysis of a wood chip, assumed to be from a tree that died during the eruption, has shown that it contains approximately 45% of its original carbon-14. Estimate how long ago the volcanic eruption occurred. So, carbon-14 has a half-life of 5,730 years. I will give that to you in any problem I give you. Whatever thing we're doing, I'll say the half-life of such and such is 800 years or 2,000 years or whatever, okay? So, you've got to use PERT first to calculate the rate of decay. So, A equals this. So, you first use this to get the R for that particular compound, or that particular element, okay? So, if I do A divided by P equals E to the RT, then I have 1/2 is equal to E to the R times 5730. Like yesterday when we were talking about doubling your money, after we did a few, we realized, oh, I don't need to know my original amount because I'm gonna divide, I'm always gonna get 2. So if this is 50, this decays down to 25, and 25 divided by 50 is 1/2. If this starts with 8, it decays down to 4, 4 divided by 8 is 1/2. So it doesn't matter, if your half-life is something, just start with 1/2 equals E to the RT. You know the time, and you know the ratio is 1/2.
Is the rate the 45?
No, the rate is what we're looking. This one we use later. First we have to use this just to get the R. Then we're going to use the R to answer the question with the 45. So half-life problems are usually 2 problems in 1. Okay? So we're going to use the half-life to get the rate. So we're going to ln both sides. So ln of 1/2 is equal to 5730 times R times ln E, and ln of E is equal to 1. So you just end up taking the ln of 1/2 and dividing by the years, okay? So ln of 1/2 divided by 5730, so I get negative 0.0001296, etc. Now my calculator says negative 1.2, e to the negative 4. Make sure you notice e to the negative 4. That means move the decimal over 4 places, so it's 0.000 if it's to the negative 4th power.
I didn't even know. Oh my gosh.
Okay?
Not good.
Then we're going to take this. So now we've got half of the problem done. We're now going to use this to work with the 45%. Okay? So we're going to use this ratio. A over P is equal to E to the R, which we now know is this times T. We know the ratio A over P is 0.45. Now we're going to ln both sides. Because ln of E is 1, I don't have to do anything with the ln of E. So ln of 0.45, which should be a negative number, divided by negative 0.0001296. 6601.419. What does that mean?
Takes 6,601 years.
Exactly. It takes 6,601 years for it to go from what it should have to having 45% of what it should have.
Oh.
Okay? All right.